In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your Gmail contacts into Microsoft Outlook 2025. This process is perfect for users who are looking to consolidate their contacts across platforms, ensuring you have all your essential information in one place. Let's dive into the steps and make this transition as smooth as possible. To begin, you'll want to open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find a grid icon. This grid icon provides access to Google's suite of applications. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu you'll choose Contacts. By doing this you'll be taken to Google Contacts, where all of your Gmail contacts are stored. Once you're in Google Contacts, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see an export icon. Click on it. A window will pop up giving you several options for exporting your contacts. Here you'll want to choose CSV for Outlook. This format is specifically tailored for importing into Outlook, ensuring compatibility without the loss of any data or formatting glitches. Proceed by clicking the Export button. This will trigger the download of your selected contacts as a CSV file right onto your computer. Make sure you save this file in a location that's easy to remember, as you'll be accessing it shortly. Now let's move over to your Microsoft Outlook account. Open Outlook in your web browser by visiting the Outlook website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Outlook page, look towards the left-hand side where you'll find the contact icon, also known as the people icon. Click on it and it will lead you to your Outlook contacts. At the top of this page, you'll see a toolbar where you need to click on Manage Contacts. This will expand a menu with several options. From there, select Import Contacts. With this action, you'll receive a prompt allowing you to locate the CSV file we previously saved from Google Contacts. Next, click on Browse and a window will open for you to select files from your computer. Navigate to the location where your CSV file was saved, select the file and click Open. At this point, the file is ready to be imported into Outlook. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking the Import button. Outlook will handle the rest, integrating your Gmail contacts into your Outlook contact list. You may want to review your contacts now in Outlook to ensure everything is perfectly in place. And there you have it. Your Gmail contacts are now successfully imported into Microsoft Outlook 2025. It's a wonderful way to keep all your communications streamlined and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments.